It is May 1st, 2024. Let's take a look at my garden parts that are coming up. Kale, lettuce, scarlet lettuce, just planted some onions. My garlic is going really good. I gotta weed that, yes, I know. My kale I planted earlier, the scarlet kale, is coming up beautifully. Turnips, not sure. But radishes are coming up. Again, I need to get everything mulched. And corn and sunflower, not yet. Let's check on the tomatoes. I transplanted a few days ago. They're all doing beautiful. And we have a new addition to the garden. First of many. My new little gnome.